Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how to fix the toolbar missing issue on Microsoft Excel really quickly and without any technical skills, so let us dive into this. So as you can see guys, I'm inside that spreadsheet here on Excel and there's no toolbar at the top. This is how you can restore it guys. It is actually very simple. Start by clicking on one of these tabs here at the top, like File, Home or Insert, any one of these. And after that you will see the toolbar here at the bottom. However guys, this will be displayed only temporarily. It will disappear once you click off again. So what you want to do to make that toolbar appear permanently is again click on one of these tabs. And here on the very right hand side you will see an arrow down icon, ribbon display options. So click on it to access these options and simply enable this option here, always show a ribbon. And that should restore your toolbar. So for example guys, if I click off, as you can see, the toolbar will still be visible and accessible here at the top. And that's how we fix this issue guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.